Children, welcome you all in today's class. In today's class, we will discuss yesterday's homework answers and we will complete exercise 4.4. Okay, so look at 217. First question A subdivision. Add 4 to 8 times a number and you get 60. So let us have the number to be the unknown variable. Okay, let the number be n. Now 4 times, adding 4 to 8 times a number. So 8 times a number, that is 8n, and add 4. What will you get? You will get 60. Okay. So now you have to transpose 4. So you will get 60 minus 4 and 8n is equal to 56. Okay. Then you have to divide 8 on both sides. Clear? Then you will have 8 and 8 cancel. 8 ones are 8 and 8 sevens are 56. So n is equal to 7. Is it clear? So you have to form the equation from the given statement. Next, 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So have, let the number be m. Okay. So 1/5 of a number. So 1 by 5 of m minus 4 gives you 3. Now transpose minus 4. So you will get 3 plus 4, that is 1 by 5 m equals to 7. Okay. Now here it is divided by 5. So we have to multiply by 5 on both sides. So you will have 5 into 1 by 5 m equal to 5 into 7. That is 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Simply m is equal to 35. Is it clear? So we reached at the final answer that m is equal to 35. Is it clear? Next question. E subdivision. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. Okay. So he is having some number of notebook, right? Let us have that to be x. Okay. So let that be the unknown variable. Let Munna have x notebooks with him. Okay. So now Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. So from 50 he is subtracting thrice the number of notebooks. Is it clear? And he finds the result to be 8. So read the question properly and form the equation. Then we have to remove 50 first. So subtract 50 on both sides. Okay. So what will you get? 50 and minus 50 will get cancelled, and minus 3x is equal to minus 42 will be the answer. So minus and minus will get cancelled and you will have 3x equal to 42. Okay, now you have to divide by 3 only, no, to cancel 3. So divide by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled and 3 ones are 3 and 3 14s are 42. Okay, so x is equal to 14. Is it clear? So Munna is having 14 notebooks with him. Next, Ibn Hel thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. So here also she is thinking a number. Okay, so right, let n be the number that Ibn Hel thought. Okay, she thought, right? She thought of a number. Okay. Now then, what she thinks of a number and she adds 19 to it. So n plus 19 to it and divides the sum by 5. So totally she is dividing by 5. Okay. She will get 8. Okay. So this is what the equation is. Okay. So now what we have to do, look carefully. Here we have 5 in the denominator. First we have to remove this 5. So we have to multiply by 5. So do 5 into n plus 19 divided by 5. Since we cannot take 19, we cannot transpose 19 in this step because whole n plus 19 is a single term and it is fully divided by 5. Okay. So first we have to remove 5 only. Five into 8. Then you will have n plus 19 is equal to 40. Okay. Then n is equal to 40 transpose 90. So minus 19. So what is the answer then? 21. N is equal to 21. Is it clear? This is your next question. Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. So let us keep the number that Anwar thinks. Okay. So let A be the number that Anwar thinks. Okay. Now he is thinking of a number, and if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, 5 by 2 of the number, so 5 by 2 of A, and he is taking 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, taking away means subtracting, and the result is 23. Okay, so now you can proceed. First you have to transpose 7, 23 plus 7, that is 5 by 2 A equal to 30. Now you have to remove 2, so multiply by 2. Two and 2 will get cancelled. So 5A is equal to 60. Now you have to remove 5. So divide by 5. So what will you have? 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 and 5 12s are 60. Okay. So final answer A is equal to 12. So the number Anwar thinks is 12. Is it clear? So we have discussed all the homework answers. Now let us enter into today's class. Look at the second question C subdivision from your exercise 4.4. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short as a double century. How many runs did each one score? Okay. So now Sachin's score is compared with Rahul's score. So we have to first keep Rahul's score as unknown. Okay. So write, let Rahul's score be X. Okay. So now what is Sachin's score then? So this gives Sachin's score equal to Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So 2x. Okay. Together their runs means sum of their runs. So 2x plus x fell too short of a double century. Too short of a double century is nothing but 200 minus 2. 200 is double century and too short means 2 less than a double century. Okay, so keep this in mind. So this is the equation that is formed according to the sum, given sum. Now you will have 2x plus x. So what is this? 3x. Okay, you have to add. So here you have 3x equal to 198. Is it clear? So now you can easily solve this. 198 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. This also will get cancelled. Here you have 3 6 are 18. So 1 will be left out. Again 3 6 are. So x is equal to 66. Fine. So you will have Therefore, Rahul's score is 66 and Sachin's score is equal to 2 into 66, and that is 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 32. Is it clear? This is the final question of today's session. Third question, third subdivision. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? Okay. So here, number of non-fruit trees is compared with, see, number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times number of fruit trees. So it is compared with fruit trees. So we have to take fruit trees as the unknown variable. Okay. So look here. Let T be the number of fruit trees. Okay. So then what will you get? You have therefore number of non-fruit trees equal to, so it is given that number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So 3 times the number of fruit trees and 2 more than it. That is 2 more means 2 added to it. Okay. So then what is given? What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted is 77? So this is given as 77. So we have to find T. Okay. So write, according to sum, okay, 3T plus 2 is 77. Okay. So now do step by step. You have to find what is T. Okay, that is what asked here, no? So we have to find what is T. So first we will transpose 2, the 77 minus 2. Okay, then you will have 3T is equal to 75. Now divide 3 on both sides. So you will have 3 ones are 3 and 3 into 25 will give you 75. So therefore T is equal to 25. Okay. Hence 25 fruit trees were planted. Is it clear? So however the question may be big, you have to read the question thoroughly for 2 or 3 times, and you have to find what we have to take it as the unknown variable, and then we have to form the equation, and then we have to solve some clue will be given in the sum. Okay, like 3T plus 2, number of non-fruit trees is given as 77. No, like this something will be given in the question. So you have to look for it and you have to form the equation and solve the unknown variable step by step. Is it clear? So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.